Hello guys, welcome on channel from Zero to Millionaire. My name is Krzysztof and today I will show you how to earn $186 for watching videos. Like you see on my desktop, I'm on coinbase.com. This is a web page where you can sell and buy cryptocurrency, and they have opportunity to earn money when you watching their learning videos. To do this, you need go to page coinbase.com and from this top menu, push button, this green button. Here is information about earning crypto when you're learning about crypto. And when you watch this video, you get $186. Like you see, we have couple section where you can watch videos and learn about selected cryptocurrency. We have couple cryptocurrency here now: OXT, Tezos, DAI, EOS, Stellar Romance, Zcash, Basic Attention Token, OX. It's couple of section, and each section, when you finish watching, you get $15 for example. Here is $6, $20, $15, $15. Here is $8. How to earn this money? It's very simple. You need push this button and create your account on Coinbase. Next step is verification of this Coinbase account, and you need to send your ID. Next step is login, and when you will be login, you can start course. Each course have couple of videos. Like you see, we have lesson 1, 2, 3, and some bonus. And each videos is very short, and for each videos you get some money. For example, lesson first, $4. Second, $4. Third, $4. And for last video, you get $14. When you finish watching the movie, next step is small quiz. Like you see, this is flow, how it's working. So first you're watching videos. Next, you need to complete the quiz. It's a simple quiz about what we'll have on this video. They need verification, are you watching this video or only skip this video, or you play and you go out from computer. After this, you earn this money. And it's very, very, very simple. And all sections have the same flow. For example, Star Lumen, you have $2 for 2 minutes, $2 for 3 minutes, $2 for 2 minutes, $2 3 minutes, $2 3 minutes, and $40 for last video. Now you ask me how to pay out this money. The easier way is convert each earning cryptocurrency what you got from this program and change for Bitcoin. So we can back to homepage. Like you see, they're using Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin, and you can convert this cryptocurrency to one of these. Simple way is convert to Bitcoin and send for another cryptocurrency market, for example, BitBuyOrt, CoinDeal. And if this market have option to pay out to your bank account, you can send money to your bank account. Or you can send money on your Revolt account, if you have account here. If it doesn't, I left a link in description to this Revolt system. They have product called cryptocurrency, like you see, and you can send your cryptocurrency to this wallet. You can convert it to pounds for USD dollars or another fiat money, and you can use this application and pay for your shopping in some shop, or you can pay out for your bank account. And doesn't matter which way you select, all will be good to pay out money from Coinbase program. I hope this video helped you understand how work this program, and if you like this video, please let thumbs up or let some comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.